Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to RobMotive. Let's talk about the pedal commander in the 2025, the 4th gen Toyota Tacoma. I did an install video the other day. I put it in because I've been experiencing some throttle lag, even in this truck. It's much better than it was in the 3rd gen, that's for sure. But nonetheless, I would hit, I'm not talking about stomping on, I almost said it. I would push on the accelerator, what used to be a gas pedal, and I would get a little bit of a hesitation, right? Even at speed, a little bit of a hesitation. It just wouldn't take effect as quickly as I want. And maybe Toyota builds a little bit of that in for safety reasons so that people have a split second or a couple seconds, about a second, to react. I don't know. It's like the steering in your steering wheel. There's some play in it, right? You've got about an inch or more play moving your steering wheel as compared to, say, a race car that is dead on. When they turn the wheel, it turns. They do that for safety reasons so that you have some reaction time. But anyway, I installed the pedal commander, and my God, man, what a difference it makes. I put it, originally, I set it at Sport Plus 3, which is where I always ran on the 3rd generation because that thing was such a dog. And it really helps if you've got a Gen 3, by the way. But anyway, I set it at Sport Plus 3, and when I hit the gas pedal, it was like, oh my God, you know, it was even more profound than it was in the Gen 3. So I had to dial it back a little bit. I'm now running at Sport Plus 1. That's Sport Plus and then 1. There's also a Sport mode that you can run. It's awesome. The throttle lag is gone, and this truck is fast. Now, a little bit of a disclaimer, or I guess truth. Putting the pedal commander in your Tacoma does not, or any other vehicle that has throttle lag, but it doesn't add horsepower. You know, I know a lot of the people out there that like to argue against it for some reason. They have other purposes, I suppose. Like to say that for some reason that's an issue and that it doesn't add horsepower. And it never claimed to. It does not add horsepower. What it does is remove, as I mentioned, the throttle lag, so that when you push on the accelerator, it's more of an instantaneous action, right? There's no lag in between before the system realizes what you're doing. And speaking of the system, this does not interfere or interact with the ECU, the brains of the truck. It's not going to reprogram anything or reset anything. It merely relays the signal, which the ECU picks up, faster than it did before, getting rid of throttle lag. Now, there are other modes to this thing, real quick, if you didn't see my install video. You've got Eco mode, City mode, Sport mode, and Sport Plus. Eco mode, the idea is to improve or increase fuel economy. To be honest, I've never really run Eco mode in it because that's not my goal with this unit. My goal with Pedal Commander is to get rid of throttle lag and have a faster truck. So I don't even screw with that. But you can if fuel economy is a concern of yours. It has a city mode, more designed for driving around in cities where you don't really want that immediate throttle response like you get in the Sport and Sport Plus modes. I never do that either. It's Sport or Sport Plus for me. Now, using it in conjunction with the different modes in the Tacoma. You've got Eco mode, you've got Sport mode, and you've got normal mode. Right now, I'm running in just normal mode. Why not? I don't really need Sport mode. And by the way, this is an increase over what you get with Sport mode in the truck. Before I ever installed it, I wanted to see if going to Sport mode in the truck would get rid of that throttle lag, and it did not. The truck was quicker and seemed to be more powerful in Sport mode, and I'm talking about the truck's Sport mode. Let's not get confused. But nonetheless, it still doesn't have that punch that you get with Sport or Sport Plus mode or the Pedal Commander all over, I guess. So, how is it driving in Sport mode? Well, let's go ahead. I'm going to switch out of normal mode. I'm going to go to Sport mode. I just did. We're in Sport mode right now. and I'm up to 70. Better watch what I'm doing. That's the one thing you better watch for if you go to the Pedal Commander, is that you pay attention until you get used to the extra oomph that it gives you as far as acceleration goes, because in no time you're going to be breaking the speed limit, and Pedal Commander's not going to pay your fine. That's on you. So just give it a little time, I guess, to get used to it. There is more punch, even with sport mode on and Pedal Commander on in the truck. Let's go to eco mode. I'm curious, what does that feel like? So I'm going to dial back to normal mode, and now I'm going to dial down to eco mode in the truck. Let's see. You get a little bit more punch, but not as significant, I don't think, as what you get in normal and sport mode in the truck itself. Will it increase fuel economy if you run, let's say, Sport Plus 1, in my case mode, in economy mode on the truck? I don't know. That's an interesting question or thought, and we'll see going down the road. I will do updates, and I am going to continue to test it just to see. I'll probably go for maybe a week or something like that in eco mode specifically, with Sport Plus mode enabled on Pedal Commander, and see if indeed I do notice an increase in fuel economy over where I currently am. And right now, where I am, for full disclosure, on fuel economy, I'm at 15.1 miles per gallon. So in the upcoming videos, use that as a reference. We'll see if it increases. Now, I'm going to go back to, I think, normal mode. Yeah, I'm going to go to normal mode because I just prefer it there, I guess, because it gives me the reaction paired with Pedal Commander that I'm looking for. Anyway, I just wanted to get on, give you guys kind of an update after having it on the truck for a few days. It's freaking awesome. I would highly recommend giving it a try. Again, if you're interested, use it or don't use it. There is a link down below. If you click that link, you'll save $30 on the unit. Make sure when you click that link and you go to Pedal Commander that you check to see if they're offering a bigger discount. A lot of times Pedal Commander will run like flash sales and things, and maybe you can save even more. I think just before I made this video, they were running $40 off. So make sure you check that. The whole idea is to save you guys a little bit of money, right? Leave a comment. Let me know if you've got the unit on your truck, if you've tried it. What do you think of it? There's nothing like true reports from others out there to let you guys know how it's doing. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.